Want that fish?
No, he give it to that mother guy. I said, yeah, I didn't know about if you wanted to pull it up or not.
Look at that. That's a hog, buddy. Wow. That's what he do. That's what he do. I don't want you to go back to Dallas and not have none.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
Thank you so very much.
All righty.
They came a long way.
Yes, sir. Y'all can have them. I'm trying to catch them.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
I hadn't seen you come down here not.
Not
I ain't seen you come here.